To add a compass to your edge panel on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, you have to make sure that tools panel has been added to your edge panels. To do so, drag the edge panel inward to open up the edge panel, and then tap setting icon next to the panel. Here you have to make sure that tools panel has been selected or added. If the tools panel has not been added yet, tap the tools panel to add it to your edge panel. Now drag the edge panel inward to open up the edge panel. Swipe the panel to the left or right to find the tools panel. If the panel doesn't display a compass, tap the 3 vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select compass. Now you can use compass to find the north-south direction and to see your current location. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.